Do I have John here again?
Yes, thank you, Judge.
And it's Stephen.
Yes, Judge.
Stephen, you know, because you're a business person, the reasons why I was unable to give John a complete judgment in my court on the last occasion you were here, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And you understood that was because, John, you did rather too much than most people do in preparing a contract.
Yes, Judge.
The consequence was that the claim that you had against Stephen was unenforceable in law. And as a result, I had to dismiss your case. This is not money that you want for a nest egg. What do you want this money for, sir?
Well, it would be useful to, I'm sorry to sound morbid, put it down for a prepaid funeral plan.
And there's a special reason for that in this
Because
case.
I've had cancer and I don't know how long I've got.
Which made my requirement that there should be a written enforceable agreement here more important. And why, as I understood it, Stephen, you were ready, willing, and I repeat myself, able to sign it and have a document here. This is agreed to be binding between the two of you. The first party loaned, and it was £10,000 to start a business. Second party agrees to pay the lump sum of £4,000 from the sale of the motorhome and further make monthly payments of £100 till the loan is repaid. And so moving forward, after the 5th of May, when did you get your first instalment of £100?
I have not received a penny.
In fact, it's right to say that you've had to chase him for this money.
Yes, I've had numerous excuses.
I was advised by John to stop working and get on with fixing the van, getting it MOT'd and sell it. I had to spend £700 of my savings to give John to get the van in such an order to sell.
Do you remember giving that advice?
I never made any such suggestion, Judge.
Are you seriously trying to tell me that that's what he said?
Yes, Judge.
Who'd you sell it to?
It's not sold, Judge.
Firstly, I want to know exactly what efforts you've made to advertise a thing. Where can I find an advert? Michelle is brilliant on that little iPhone thingy. I'd like to know exactly where you advertised that camper van. You've had months. Where is it? Show me one advert.
I had a suggestion from John to go to Gumtree.
Great suggestion. Where's the advert?
It is in Gumtree.
Is that right? Have you seen it advertised?
I searched on Gumtree, I couldn't find it.
I couldn't find it either. Could you find it?
There is a Facebook page also.
Can you please tell me the registration of the van?
I haven't got it with me, unfortunately.
Can you describe it to me?
It's a 6-berth camper van with all the facilities.
John, do you know the registration?
Not having a vehicle in my possession, I don't remember it. Sorry, Judge.
Now, it
is
appears to be
the-
on the original agreement, so that's good news.
I was just about to say.
Who put it on Gumtree? You or someone else?
I did, Judge. Yes.
Have you seen any evidence of that whatsoever?
I haven't seen the advert, but...
Thank you, sir. How many people have checked your website and expressed interest in the van? How many?
I believe 6, Judge.
Really? Is that what you believe? How do you believe that?
The last time I looked, it...
When was that?
3.5 weeks ago.
3.5 weeks ago? And did you have a discussion with them about price?
Yes, Judge.
And did they come and see it?
No, Judge.
One of the things I'm told is that there was a bar to selling this particular vehicle, and the special problem, sir, was that it needed an MOT, and that's very important, especially when you're selling a vehicle like that. Understood?
Yes.
So, you have got that MOT, correct?
Yes, Judge.
When did you get your MOT, Stephen?
It would have been August.
This is sent in July. You told me that there was an MOT in August. You sent a message to him in July, 15th of July, even the van has an MOT. You hold out there that the van has a valid MOT. Was that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Well, according to the government website that I have seen, with the exact same registration that's on the agreement, the MOT expired on the 11th of March 2016. Where is the MOT?
It was without an MOT for several months.
Where
whilst I
is the
fixed it.
MOT that you spent money on and got? Where is it?
I haven't brought it, Judge.
As soon as you get an MOT, it's registered on a government website. And that's a requirement so that the police can immediately, amongst other people, determine whether or not you have valid insurance. I can tell within seconds whether or not you have an MOT for that vehicle and you've spent money on it, because it's a matter of public record. It's a matter of public record that there is no MOT for that caravan. Now, we can do this the easy way or the hard way, but don't look at me and tell porky pies. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
There is no MOT for that vehicle. Is there?
Yes, Judge, there is.
There is no MOT for that vehicle. Who did it?
A garage in Guildford.
What's the name of it? You can tell Michelle if you don't say it out loud and we'll call them.
I don't remember, Judge.
Well, you're happy for me to call them now and they will have a record.
Yes, Judge.
What's the name of them?
I don't know, Judge.
I don't believe there was an MOT. I don't believe you. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.